Hey everyone, this is Christine Zedek, and here I am at Brand Empower, the Global Excellence Awards. And it's such an exciting evening. It's already buzzing with so many people. We have a lot of celebrities coming in, but the biggest, most attractive, the star of the evening is Madhuri Dixit ji.
The great initiative taken by Brand Empower to honor companies, artists, organizations for their excellence and their services in their respective fields. और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ आके उन्हें ऑनर करना, उन्हें अवार्ड देना, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपना बेस्ट किया है. All of them have worked very hard, and these people are not only from India but globally, overseas से भी बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ आए हैं जो बेस्ट है उनके फील्ड्स.
Everybody make some noise for Madhuri Dixit! Can we please hear from Madhuri Dixit? Ma'am, can I please have you on stage?
This is the second time I'm coming here to honor all these inspiring people who are sitting here in front of us today, who work so hard to be who they are and where they are. You, me, everyone here has worked very hard enough.
Absolutely.
We have struggled so much and we have attained something. Welcome all of you. Good evening to all of you. एक प्यार भरा नमस्कार मेरी तरफ.
The next award is the Youngest Philanthropist of the Year in Animal Welfare. We have Soubhagya Sharma. Soubhagya.